Hi everybody, James again from KSTHL Labels. Custom printed woven labels. This keyword, let's say that we make out the woven labels and then print on the labels. So there always there have included two technology. Okay, print labels are also common garment accessories, and the printed labels are generally suitable for like women's dress and ladies clothing, and as well as some wash instructions in our gums products. The washing in instructions, we always use a good quality wash label. That's we call wash label, and we always use print labels. Also print labels with so many quality. If we choose a very good quality, so not that bad labels. Also the print labels is very soft. It's very soft labels. So just the difference is our woven labels can washable so many times, and the color is never get off. But the wash labels we can't make sure it's how many times. But we always use a very good quality that's keeping so many times. But it is not like the woven labels, how it is not matter you wash how many times and the color never take off. So that is a big difference.